Hey, Will. Let me check. Hold on. Is it working for me? Yeah. Okay. So, like you asked for, I'm giving you the report for KM Service Pro. We are mainly targeting the on page, which previously have a lot of issues. So we are using this tool, which is the SEO checklist that Sal gave me. It works good for all the websites, and it's showing now how to improve and all. So I trust this, and I'm working using this tool. So when we first run the report on April 24th, this is the score for the website. So it's a D plus, which means it's not doing that great, but it's okay. So the SEO on page has a C, and the links there is nothing in it, and the usability is somewhat not that great. The performance is not that great. So this is the overall score. If you want to see in detail, you can see it here. So on page SEO, so what are the missing elements we have? HTML headers. There are no title tags, no meta description. There is, but it is not up to the they are not as per the standards. And the body content is there, and there are some keyword issues. This is the major thing that we need to do so that the website uh, tells Google that this website is for these particular keywords and for this particular business. You know all this. So the keyword consistency is not there, and rest of the things are fine. There is no analytics installed. Links are not that great. Even now it's still the same though. So the usability and all these things, so the iframe issues, email issues, the font sizes, and the page load issues, and all this magnification inline, and the social media performance is not at there. Nothing was installed, like the Facebook pixel was not there, and all such things. And here are the list of things that we need to do. So this particular tool gives us everything in detail, so where we can optimize the website and get it better performing. So this is it. And right after that, we did the optimization activities as per the instructions from there and the things that we know. So now the on page SEO and all the overall score is A plus, which is doing good. So in return, we got good results. So these are the keywords that we are using. We're trying to rank for KM Roofing. And also there are several different keywords that we are targeting, but they have a less search volume, but they have good buyer intent. So let me show. So also we built some citations here. So these are the list of citations. I can send you all these. So the Facebook, Instagram, and along with the LO pages and super pages and something like that. And we have the status that we are monitoring, like what is the approval procedure right now. So something like so profile under verification, so on. So we are constantly looking after these citations and make sure they are live, and we are doing whatever it is necessary, whatever it is required. So some profiles need payment, and some need some time to uh, get approved. Anyway, all this works good. This is the keywords that we are targeting, and there are a few more keywords, and these keywords are a bit tough to rank, but we started to rank there in the top 10, maybe. I mean, not in the top 10, it's in the top 10 pages so far. So I'm sorry for doing that bad, but it takes some time. A good amount of competition is there. We are doing whatever it is required, and we are doing the basics right at the beginning, like handling the website on page score, making the website looks perfectly all right when we start building the links. So that's why it's taking time, but I'm sure when we started to rank, we rank better. That's for sure. We don't stuck at 10th position or 8th position. We don't need to fight for the first position. But I'm sure if we're doing uh, the things in the right way, I can definitely get them ranked to the top 3 in the map pack. So that's my target. So let me show you some of the keywords that they are performing right now. There it is. So for the roofing DFW, which is a very tough keyword, we already ranking on 46th position, I guess. So if you see here, It's showing results 41 to 60. So this batch is containing the 20 results in between 41 and 60, and we are ranking at around 46 there, the 46 or 50, whatever it is. So KM Roofing is there, and for the roofers DFW, we are ranking pretty much at the same position, and roofing contractors and DFW we are doing at 80 to 100 in between. So these keywords, why I am particularly working on these keywords means uh, there are I pick keywords for map pack if that particular keyword is having many results in the PPC. So if somebody is trying to rank them in PPC, that means it may provide good potential leads for us instead of just views and now just views and the position. We don't need the position, but we need position for those keywords which converts. So if somebody is searching for that keyword, there must be that must be a potential buyer for us. So how I pick these kind of keywords is by looking after the PPC performance in the search page. So when somebody is going after these keywords, that means they are doing good for them. That means if we try to rank for that, we will definitely get that potential customers towards our site. Anyway, so these are some of the keywords. There are a few more keywords, but they are in between 30 and 40. I mean 40 only after 40. So there are some keywords that they are not that much great, but all these keywords, ranking for all these kind of keywords is also important, so that it doesn't look like we are overstuffing the keywords, the major keywords directly for the DFW roofers or something like that. So we are doing good so far, and so this is pretty much it. If you see the website, it loads pretty much fast, and we made a few changes like adding the keywords right here, like roofing contractors, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. So all these things are required, and so like this, reliable roofers in DFW, roofing contractors in DFW right here. So all these keywords that we are doing will definitely pay when we start doing the link building. So link building is about to start this month. So far the on page and the citation part, which is much needed for the website to now tell Google that this website is a legitimate website and they are doing the basics right. So I just wanted that impression in front of Google, and I'm sure that I have done whatever is required to get that impression from Google. So hopefully when we start doing this link building, we definitely see the rankings in a very good time, in a very good way and quick time. Thank you. I will give you a very detailed report if required on any of these things. So like how we did it and whatever. If you need anything, I can submit in another report for you. Thank you, Will. Thanks for the opportunity, man.